Hi everyone, this is Nora. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this really funky makeup tutorial, and I'm using again the Jeffree palette, Blood Sugar palette, and I'm so excited. I really wanted to create something a bit more funky. I really wanted to play around with the red tones in there because red is my favorite shade to wear on my eyes, believe it or not. And I also wanted to go ahead and apply a shimmery red, which I've never done on my channel, and I have to say I'm obsessed. It's super pretty. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so as you guys could see, I already went ahead and I did my face makeup, and I also did my brows. I just wanted to get that out of the way because it's exactly the same steps that I did in my previous tutorial using the Jeffree Star palette. So I'm going to be using it again today because I want to kind of work around with different colors this time and do something a little bit more funky and glamorous. I'm not really going anywhere special. I'm actually going to my parents' house, and I don't mind doing something really funky. So I will be using Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette again, and I really want to play around with more funkier colors. I really want to try the brown over here. I also want to try a little bit of the reds, so I think that's what I'm going to be doing today. So let's get started. I did not prime my eyes, which I'll do right now. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC 24 Hours Extended Eyeshadow Primer. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that. I like to use my fingers with this. This primer is really good. Just grab it like that and put it on my eyelid. Just like this. Before I go ahead and start the eyes, I'm just gonna let you guys know that if you are curious about what I have on my face at the moment, everything's gonna be indicated in your info box down below. You can go ahead and check it out, but I'll go over what I used on my face right now with you guys before I start the eyes. So for primer, I used my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer. I still don't have a foundation. I went ahead and I used my concealer. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW25, and I mixed in a little bit of my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer as well. This is in shade Sand. I think I forgot to mention that in my previous video. And this is what I use for my face. And then I went ahead and I set everything up with my Tattoo foundation powder from Kat Von D in light 48, and I put that all over. And then I went ahead and I set my under eye using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, Lyric and Levitation. And then I went ahead and I did a little bit of contouring. I used Shadow Play and a mix of these two as well. Overall, this is what I have on my face. And for brows, since I ran out of my NYX Precision Eyebrow Pencil, I went ahead and I used this one here that I found around. This is the Brow Sculpt Brow Pencil from MAC, and in Spiked. It has a bigger tip. It was kind of hard to work with, to be honest, but I ended up somewhat creating the effect. And then I also use my Motive Essential Brow Kit powder, and I use the darker shade right here. So this is kind of what I have on my face. Like I said, everything's going to be in the info box for you guys if you missed anything, so you can check out that to see what I have on my face. Now, exciting part, moving to the eyes. I can't wait. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of O Positive, this shade right here. So I'm taking O Positive and I'm gonna put that, I think I'm gonna put it in my crease area because I'm not really sure what to do today, but I really want to play around with the funky colors. This is such a pretty shade. And I'm using a big fluffy brush. This is from MAC. This is the 224 brush. Is it from MAC or Sigma? One of the two. No, this is the Sigma. This is the SS224. I still have the old ones when they had the SS numbers going on and the FF numbers, if I'm not mistaken. And since then, I haven't really ordered anything from Sigma. It's been a while, actually. It kind of has that purpley tone in it, like background shade. I don't know if like you guys could see it. I thought it would be like a nice, like a taupey gray color, but it's actually a grayish purple color, which I am not hating at all. It's a pretty color. I'm gonna be taking a color called Fresh Meat. This one right here. It's a pretty shade. It's kind of like a burgundy color. It's a pure burgundy color actually. And I'm going to place it into the crease area, blending it with O Positive. Ooh, look at that shade. That's gorgeous. And I'm just going to place it like in the inner corners like that. I don't know, I feel like creating something weird. I really don't know where I'm going with this, but it's going to go somewhere that we're gonna like for sure. I mean, I'm liking this. So I'm just putting it in the inner corners like that. I think I'm gonna go put something else out here, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Next, I wanna go ahead and grab Blood Sugar, which is that shimmery metallic red shade right here. And I'm going to pop this color. I'm gonna take it with a smaller brush. I'm gonna pop this color on my lid. Wow. That is pigmented as hell. I'm obsessed. Okay, this is definitely gorgeous. Look at this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab Cherry Soda, this color, and I'm going to pop this on the outer corners right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of Tongue Pop, which is what the shade I used before, but I'm just gonna take a light color of this, just a little bit, just to kind of blend out the whole look. And I'm also going to pop this in here, just to kind of blend out. I'm gonna take Fresh Meat again, and I'm just going to enhance the inner crease. I want to go ahead and create a wing eyeshadow look, kind of like what I did before. So I'm just taking a little tape and I'm going to pop like so on my eye. Take another little piece. I'm going to take a small pencil brush and I'm going to go ahead and grab the brown shade, this one. This is called Intravenous, and I'm just gonna go ahead and create a winged liner using this shade. And I'm also gonna drag it on the lower lash line just a little bit. See the fallouts? I'm gonna take a little bit of Extraction right here, that purple shade. And I'm going to pop that on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Coma as well, this shade right here, the darker purple shade. And I'm just going to enhance and smoke out the lower lash line. I want to take shade Sweetener, this one right here, and I want to pop it in my inner corners and see what it gives. Oh wow, I love the shade. It's super pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'm also gonna apply some lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and then apply my favorite mascara. This is the Benefit They're Real. For lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and use my CrownLashes. These are in shade LoveSick, and they look like that. You can see them. They are a little bit more wispy, and this is kind of what I feel like putting on. So I'll go ahead and pop them on, and I'll be back to finish up the face with you guys. Okay, so the lashes are popped on. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the face with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab again the one and only Jeffree Star 24 karat palette right here, the highlight palette. I feel like grabbing another shade to do my blush, and I'm gonna grab Giza, the shade right here. I'm not sure if that's how you spell it, but that's the shade I'm gonna grab. So I'm gonna grab Giza. Ooh, this is pigmented. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on the apples of my cheeks. This is pretty though. Me like it. Oh, and I forgot to fake that little pimple on my cheek. I'm gonna fake it and put a beauty mark on it right now because I don't want it to show. I mean, could you guys see it? You can't because now it's highlighted. But I'm gonna go ahead and fake it and put a little beauty mark on it. Because Robert is noticeable, so might as well make him pretty and put a little mole on him. Like, I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of veiling. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix my face. I'm using my one and only Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm gonna grab again King Tut in here, the shade in the middle right here. Such a pretty color. I'm obsessed with this highlight. And I'm just going to pop that on my cheekbone to highlight. Look at that beauty. Girl, you know what it is. On the nose. Those cubes. Cupid's bow. Cubes. That looks weird. Felt like I was saying pubes. But it's not pubes, it's cubes. For lips, I want to go ahead and apply a shimmery red. I really do. I have this from the Christmas collection. I had to get this and I really wanted to have like a metallic red because I don't have one, and Jeffree Star obviously came up with one during Christmas time and I wanted it so badly, so I finally got it. First of all, look, I'm literally shook and dead about this beautiful glittery pink packaging. I mean, come on. Yes. Jeffree, could you do like that but a red one? That would be so cool. Next Christmas, do like a glitter red. Glitter black. Oh my god. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. That sound though is everything. What? Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. As I always mention in my videos, everything I used on my face today is going to be indicated in the info box down below. You can go ahead and check it out. And also have an announcement that I'm going to be filming right after this video. I am going to be giving away a Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. That's going to be in another video. Make sure you go ahead and check it out if you want to get your hands on it. They're gonna get their hands on the Blood Sugar palette and I'm so excited. So if you want to see the video of this, I'm gonna be filming it right after this one. Once it's uploaded, I'm gonna indicate it right here. You can go ahead and enter. Just make sure that you follow all the rules and you are set to go. And good luck to everyone. Thank you all so much for watching and make sure you check out the giveaway video. I'll talk to you later. Bye everyone.